Peace be with you. This 22nd Sunday after Pentecost, I would like to talk about submission of human authority to God. In the Gospel for this Sunday, we have heard, give unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and to God what belongs to God. It doesn't mean that Caesar is superior to God or equivalent to God, but rather all human authority must submit to God's will, even if it's ecclesiastical or civil, must submit to God's authority. Any contrary to God's will would be rendered null and void or anarchical to God's will. That's why if an police officer, for example, would receive an order that is contrary to God's will, shall we say, killing someone who is innocent, the police officer has no moral obligation to obey that order, even if it's legal. It doesn't mean that a thing is legal, it is moral. Sometimes it can be legal, but it is still immoral if it is contrary to God's commandment. Children who are ordered by their parents to submit to prostitution have no moral obligation to obey their parents, even if it's their parents who are requesting them to submit to prostitution, because that is contrary to God's commandment. That's why this must be a point of consideration for all parents, that they should respect the religious vocation of their children. They should not be the reason to hinder the vocation of their children. Sometimes they're threatening their children that if they will enter the convent or seminary, they would suffer heart attack. It's a mental torture for a candidate. But the candidate should have not worry over this matter. Yes, we are asked to love one another. We have to love our neighbor. We have to love our parents. We have to love our brothers and sisters. But if our parents, if our brothers and sisters, if our family would hinder us to fulfill answering God's calling, then we have to prioritize our love for God over that love for family. So as we contemplate today, render unto Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and to God what belongs to God, let's all be reminded that all human authorities must submit to God's will. In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritui Sancti. Amen.